Right, class. Now we've read Matilda. So here, there are some few words that I'd like you to notice. So let's see this one. Says happy. What does happy mean? Yes, he feels great. And how about big? Yes, it's something that's huge in size. Okay, now do you know what adjectives mean? Yes. So adjectives are yes, some words that help us describe nouns. Yes, great. Okay, so the words that I just mentioned before, big and happy, they are also both adjectives. So according to grammar, we'll have an order, a designated order to place or position adjective in the correct order. Okay, now so let us see a little more about this. Let's see. According to the order that we know, that has been so there are 8 categories of adjectives in according to the grammar. So let's see what's the first one. The first one is what we call quantity. The first one is what we call quantity, and the second one is what we call quality, and the third one, what does, so it's something related to big, so what does big describe? Yes, it describes the size. Okay, so one, we have quantity. Next, we have quality. Then we have size. And how about some things like um, young or old or middle age? What are those adjectives? So what do you think those adjectives are in the category of? Great, so that's going to be eight. And the next one we have, so how about like circle, square, cube, what are they? Yes, great. Okay, and next we have, so pink, blue, brown, black, what are they? Yes, colors. And how the next one is a bit tricky. So we call it the origin. Origin as in, well, the nationality, if there's a person, or maybe it's the material that is made of, if there's an object. Like, for example, for desk, you can say wooden desk or plastic desk. Here, wooden and plastic are the adjectives relating to origin. Okay, and in our last, we have a purpose or quantifier. Okay, so purpose or quantifier is something that makes that certain noun special. Like, for example, how can you describe me? Okay, yes, you can say that. Yes, okay, thank you. So yes, I'm sweet. Yes, so that is one of the quantifiers that you can use as the last uh, category of adjective. Okay, yes, now we have the eight parts of adjective that we can. So this is the designated here. So Now we can call it the order or the adjective. And yes. Now, so let's have a little bit of practice here. Okay. So first, let me pick a character from the story we've read in the class. So allow me to pick Miss Trenchel. Okay. Let's see. Miss Trenchel. So can you tell me any adjective that you witnessed from the storybook or anything new that you um thought of that came up to your mind when I say Miss Transfer? So what type of a person is he? Okay, yes, he is huge. And what else? He is you can say he's tall. And so and also strong. Yes, of course, you could lift a whole car. And what else? You can say yes, he is a bit wild. And yes, you can say he's mean. And what else? So how about have a look at the list we have. We have quantity, quality, size, age, shapes, colors, origin. So um let's talk about the age group of Miss Tremble. So you can say that she's a middle-aged woman. Yes, middle-aged. Yes. And okay, now we have 5 adjectives that we can use to describe Miss Tremble. Okay, so according to the order of the adjectives we're going to learn today, which adjective should come in first in the 5 we have mentioned? So quantity, quality, size, age, shape, colors, origin, purpose, quantify. Okay, you can say we can start with yes, okay, strong as a quality, you can say yes. And how about yes, strong as a quality? And how about the size? Yes, huge. And how about tall? Tall is you can say that is something like um yes, you can say that is quality. Yes, so will you have it above or below strong? Okay, yes, here. So let's have it here. Let's see. And how about for wild and middle age? Which comes first? What do you think comes first? Yes, middle age because the age comes first. Then wild and mean, they are sort of like purples or quantifiers. Yes. So we will have them at the and yes. So now there we go. A tall, strong, huge, middle-aged, mean, wild woman. Miss Trexel. Okay, yes, well done, class.